Welcome! If you're looking for a fast, innovative, and effortless way to create professional videos for your projects without editing or design experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to Vexub, a platform that transforms the way videos are created. Using advanced AI, Vexub turns text, audio, and even existing videos into polished, ready-to-publish clips within minutes. Simply write your script and the platform builds the full video for you. No equipment, no experience, just your ideas. And Vexub handles everything else. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the entire platform, from logging in to exporting your final video. Whether this is your first time creating content or you're looking to simplify your workflow, this guide will make every step clear and easy to follow. Let's begin by opening your browser and searching for Vexub. Click the official website link to enter the homepage. Before creating your first video, you'll need to register. Click the sign up button in the top right corner. You'll see 3 registration options: email, Google, or GitHub. To keep it simple, I'll choose registration via Google. Select your email and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. There, you'll see an overview of the main tools available on the platform. These tools include text to video, audio to video, MP4 to video, and SMS style videos. To begin your first project, click Start Creating. You'll now be presented with 4 main creation options. Text to video converts your written script into a complete video with audio, images, and animations. Audio to video lets you upload an MP3 or WAV file and transforms it into a visually rich video. MP4 to video allows you to upload an existing video and redesign it with new backgrounds, colors, and audio. SMS-style videos are perfect for creating storytelling or conversation-style content. For this demonstration, I'll choose text to video because it's the easiest for beginners. A text box will appear where you can write or paste your script. You can divide your script into short scenes for better structure and clarity. After writing your text, customize your video using several options. Choose a style like educational, marketing, storytelling, or conversational. Then select an AI voice in your preferred language and accent. You can also adjust backgrounds, colors, and animations to match your content. For more control, explore the advanced settings, which allow you to adjust text speed, transitions, and even automatically generate hashtags and descriptions. Once everything is set, click Generate Video. The platform will begin processing your script, turning it into a sequence of scenes with synchronized audio and visuals. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the length of your text. After the rendering is complete, your video will appear in the preview window. Here, you can watch the full video and evaluate how well the text, audio, and visual elements match. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the editor and adjust the text, voice, transitions, or style, then regenerate the video. Small adjustments can significantly improve the final result. Once you are satisfied, click the Download or Export button under the preview window. Choose the quality, HD for the best resolution, or SD for faster downloads. The video will be saved directly to your device. Before publishing, add a clear title and a short description to make your video more discoverable. Use the hashtags generated automatically by Vexub to reach a larger audience. Review the audio one last time, especially if you are using AI narration. If your video is long, consider dividing it into shorter clips for platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Your video is now fully ready for upload and sharing. And that concludes our full tour of Vexub, from registration to exporting your final video. If you're looking for a fast, simple, and effective way to produce professional content without equipment or editing skills, Vexub provides the perfect solution. Try the platform yourself and let me know your experience. Did you enjoy using it? Did it help you create a professional video quickly? See you in the next tutorial with more tools to simplify content creation.